Welcome class. Now let's start with designing the standee for AB Academy first. Now if you just look at it and you try to find over here, you won't find anything like a standee over here. So which means we'll have to go for a custom size. But for that you should be aware about what is the standard size of a particular standee. So if you're not aware about it, what you can do is just simply go to google.com, look here for standee size, and you can just check it is 6 feet by 3 feet. Now you need to convert to integer, because if you just go here and you check for custom size, you don't have foot measurement over here. You either have it in pixel, inches, millimeter or centimeter. So by default it is selected as inches. Okay, so I need to now convert 6 foot to inches. So if I go here, I'll get this calculator. I can convert 6 foot to inches. It becomes 72. So I'll go here. I want the height to be 72. The width I want is 3 foot, which comes to 36 inch. So this I want as 36. So it is width as 36, height as 72 in inch. That is what I want to create. So I'll go ahead and say create new design. And you see I get here a standee which will look up like this. The height and width have been selected. I'll name this as AB Academy standee. Let's name it proper name so that we can just remember that for our future use. Now as we know that AB Academy is basically into corporate trainings. Okay, so I'll just go here. I can search for some templates for corporate trainings, and or if you want to go, you can go here for the elements, and you can also search here for some corporate background. So if you want to take this, you can just take up this as the image. You can make it okay. It is not looking proper in background, so let's just find some image in photo. Let's take corporate professional. You can also search for webinar. Okay, so say career webinar. That is what they wanted. So let's go in for photo again here, and so let's take this here. I'm just moving it a bit down. I'll add here some more values. Let's say we will add one more image below here, and yeah, this much. Now let me add here some elements and say let's look out for some shapes. Okay, I'll change the color and all in some time. So let me just increase this. Similarly, now let's try and make it something like this. We're just making a particular design here, and let's say I try to remove the background of the image, and let's check how the image looks like, so that we can take a call whether we need the background or we need to remove the background. So now this feature is available only in the pro version. Okay, so if you all want such features to be enabled, then you need to go for the pro account of Canva. So just give me a moment. No, it has gone completely, so I don't want it. Let's keep it this. And also let's say for the background, I'll keep a particular color, and that can be some lighter shade. And for this, let's try and keep it for this. We can remove the background because then this will be easily visible. And then here we'll write down some contents, that is what this webinar is about. We'll try and change this upper image as well. It is not fitting in properly, so we'll have to make it a more attractive one. Okay, so let us just plan that. Okay, I'll apply this, and once I apply, then the background would be removed. Okay, if you want to flip this, you can flip it like this, and then you can plan to keep it over here or wherever it suits the best. Fine. Now let us just check for some more career guidance. Let's write down like this and search for some photos. Okay, let's remove this. No, not looking proper. No problem. Let's search for some images available. Now you can add any of the pro images as well, since this is a pro account, so all these which are of type pro could be easily added. Even this is looking fine, so let me add this here. I'll shift this to background. Let's add some different shapes. You can change the color as well. And let's say we want to add here something like on this I will add the text, and that is say AB Academy. Let me make it a small one. Let's add this over here like this. Okay, so fine. Now here we'll add some text, so I will go here, add some heading, say career guidance. If you want it to be there in one line, just decrease the font a bit. Okay, and here only I will write career guidance webinar, and let's add a subheading. I'm moving this below, say in the middle. Say it is on 15th October 2022 at 11 a.m. Okay, so great. Let's add some elements here, and we will search for some careers, so we can add here certain images like this as well, which would be some small images as such. And say one more text I will add it, and that is know what best for your career from industry experts. So let's put this here. I want it to be decreased a bit. Okay, looks fine. If you want to put certain graphics in between, you can, but graphics won't be visible on the Standee, like it cannot be blinked. So what you can do is you can try and insert some things like this to just make it more attractive. Okay, now I'm not going to add this completely. Okay, doesn't look proper. Let me try and add, let's say this. I will decrease this, and from here as well. And let's say I will remove the background of this. Okay, let me decrease this a bit, and okay, we have edited the image. Fine. So let's place it like this. Now let's say we have some clip arts available here as well. So if you wish those, you can add it somewhere in between, like this, above the AB Academy. Okay, just to show a graph that your career would grow. So even here, let us try and remove the background. Let's see how does it looks like. So once we have a particular background, it will be easy for us to look at it. If we do not want, we can easily anytime cancel the background, and we can get it back what it was originally. So this looks like this. Okay, let us do one thing. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, okay, even this is great. Or if you want to place it somewhere like this, even that is possible. So let's keep it like this. Now if you wish to change some background color, you can do that. You want to add certain colors anywhere else. Now even this is looking better, or a bit a lighter shade, so that now I have matched this with this green. Okay, so even that looks better. Fine, place them both. And if you wish to add this like this, so we'll try and increase the size of this. Okay, a bit above, or you can just, no, if you, yeah, this would be better. So now it is looking better. A career guidance webinar, added some text. Okay, now suppose you want to add some circles. Now let's go in for image, and let's see. Now let's say we'll select. Now the graphics won't be visible, but yes, definitely we can add some images which will help us. So say like this, we can change the color of the image, that doesn't matter. I'm just making it small enough, placing it. Let's change the image color. Let's make it dark brown for that matter. Or you wish to give, yeah, even this is okay. So similar to this, we can add some different. Now here I will give a darker shade as well. So let's place it here. I'll copy paste this. Similarly this one. Let's place it here. Just to enhance it a bit, so you can just select any shapes and add it. If you want, you make this in bold. Similarly even this one, so that it is highlighted properly. I want to increase size of this a bit. Okay, fine. So this is how we have created the brochure, or we can say a standee for the career guidance webinar. So we have added various elements, we have changed the background, added certain shapes, and created it like this.